Welcome to my channel. My name is Priska and I make videos for women who value their personal style over fashion. Today I want to delight you with all my colorful outfits this year, but before we get there, I think you should know the backstory. These are the photos of someone who is struggling with her life, with her style, and a heavy sense of overwhelm about the future. You can tell by all these neutral colored outfits. I'm not someone who likes neutrals, they tend to bore me. I'm vibrant and spicy and colorful, usually. But about a year ago, I was really struggling with some personal issues that all of them compounded into feeling like one overwhelming idea. It just felt like I was trapped in a life that I didn't really want. However, now that I'm on the other side of that, I can say that battle was my saving grace. Today, I'm the happiest, most content, and most vibrant I've ever been in my life. But it's only because I let the yellow flag of neutral colored outfits and just being bored with my clothes help me to dig deeper into my soul and find the red flag of being generally bored with life. And from there, I deconstructed the societal cages that I let box me into becoming some generic, neutral version of myself who was desperate to feel alive again. Now I know that some people think that style is this negligible detail, but it isn't. It's indicative of your mood, your hopes for the day, and your ambitions in life. Your style shows how you perceive yourself, value, acceptance, love, peace, wisdom, playfulness. It's not the root of what's important, but it sure is revealing of what is. Style isn't the end-all be-all to happiness either. In this online reality, it can seem like if you had the most aesthetically put together life with a more beautiful wardrobe, a color-coded pantry, and a more organized bedroom, you would feel like you're on top of the world. And that's not true either. The truth is somewhere in between trivial and all-important. Style can reflect your emotional state, and it can affect your presence when you walk into a room and all eyes are on you. That's the power of style. It affects your soul and it reflects your soul. But if perchance you're feeling like I was a year ago, quite unhappy, please note that my springtime outfits were filmed as I was internally working to change my outlook. I wasn't in a happy state of mind yet, but I was building my faith to make a profound change in life. Here's my entire year in colorful outfits.
sunshine and new life in the way I need. Counting the days until summer, feeling the warm rays upon my face. Leave all my worries in the gentle breeze. Big sunshine and new life in the way I need. Counting the days until summer, feeling the warm rays upon my face. Leave all my worries in the gentle breeze. Big sunshine and new life in the way I need. Counting the days until summer, feeling the warm rays upon my face. Leave all my worries in the gentle breeze. Big sunshine and new life in the way I need.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to develop your sense of personal style. I'll see you next week with a brand new video, but until then, take care.